Hello, this is Time Trade. Welcome to the channel where real trading meets real technology. Here, I show how a powerful neural network works side by side with human trading logic to help you make smarter decisions in the currency pairs market. Every signal from the AI is based on deep analysis, not emotions or guesswork, and I combine that with clear strategies to give you a complete picture of the market. If you're looking to trade more confidently and stop relying on luck, this is the place for you. Hit like and subscribe so you never miss a new video. And right now, as part of our promotion, you can connect the neural network for free using the link in the description. Once activated, it stays with you forever with no additional costs. Trade on your own terms, with intelligent support always by your side. Let's get started. Now you see the interface of the trading bot in Telegram. First, you need to select a currency pair from the list for your first trade. Let's take the Swiss franc and Japanese yen. After that, I go to the Pocket Option Broker and find this currency pair in the search bar in advance. I will set the expiration time to 5 minutes. The investment amount will be $1,900. Now I return to the bot interface and click the expiration time button for 5 minutes. As you can see, the neural network analyzes the market. After the analysis, the trading bot gave a signal to decrease the price on the 5-minute time frame. Well, now I will go to the Pocket Option Broker and look at the situation on the market. Okay, I click the red button to sell in accordance with the signal from artificial intelligence. Friends, I want to tell you a little more about the terms of the promotion. Only this month, you can connect this trading tool for free. After connecting, the neural network remains with you forever. Every day, on permanent terms, you will receive an unlimited number of signals that can help you make the right trading decision. The link is in the description. Go to this bot and, using its instructions, join the community of people who use artificial intelligence to improve their analysis. If you have any questions, be sure to write to our manager. He will help you understand all the nuances and connect to the broker. If you're ready to dive deep into real trading on the currency pairs market, I invite you to join a free training from the Time Trade team. This is more than just theory. After completing the course, you'll be able to clearly see market structure, identify key support and resistance zones, and make well-reasoned decisions based on analysis, not guesswork. I'll guide you step by step through learning how to read charts from the ground up, understanding the logic behind price movement, and building your own trading strategy based on proven patterns rather than someone else's opinions. This training is designed for those who want to grow into independent traders, not just follow signals, but truly grasp how the market works and act with confidence. If you've been thinking about starting or have already tried but didn't find success, this is your opportunity. Click the link in the description and message me directly. I'll respond personally and help you begin your trading journey with clarity and purpose. Guys, if you want to continue to understand the intricacies of the market in practice, just stay in touch. Your support is always felt. I would be very grateful for a like, and do not forget to subscribe to the channel so as not to miss new videos. Guys, let's go to the TradingView terminal to conduct technical analysis. In the search bar, I will find the Swiss franc and Japanese yen currency pair. Let's take a close look at the chart. I would like to immediately draw your attention to the key resistance area. In the past, the price moved to this area, after which there was a rollback downwards. I would like to note the support area on the market. In this situation, I think that the price will continue to move downwards from the resistance area to the support area. My educational content is intended for educational purposes only. I do not provide financial advice and do not give recommendations. On the channel, I demonstrate practical approaches to trading based only on my experience. That is, these are only my personal results. Therefore, trade responsibly and consciously, observing all the rules of risk management. Trading on the currency pairs market with the help of artificial intelligence can significantly improve results, but only if the trader understands how to properly interpret and apply the signals it generates. The neural network processes vast amounts of data and identifies patterns, but the trader must still use their own logic to confirm entries and avoid acting impulsively. AI should be seen as a supportive tool rather than a substitute for personal analysis. Even accurate signals can lead to losses if the trader ignores basic risk control. That's why strict money management is essential, especially for beginners. Risking no more than 3% of the deposit on each trade helps preserve capital during losing streaks and gives the trader a chance to continue learning and adjusting their strategy. Ultimately, success comes not just from technology, but from discipline, emotional control, and thoughtful decision-making. In trading, especially in the currency pairs market, psychological stability is not just a personal trait. It's a critical foundation that determines the outcome of each decision. A calm and confident trader sees the chart not as a battlefield of uncertainty, but as a structured flow of information where every movement has a reason. When emotions dominate, decisions become impulsive. Excitement after a successful trade can push a person to increase their investment size irrationally, while fear after a loss can make them exit too early or hesitate to enter a strong setup. In such states, a trader stops acting according to logic and starts reacting to emotions, which almost always leads to a breakdown of strategy and, eventually, loss. A stable character allows a trader to remain centered even when the market behaves unpredictably. Confidence formed through knowledge and experience becomes an anchor that prevents emotional swings from influencing actions. It allows one to stick to their plan even when the candle wicks sharply in both directions. This inner strength is not something that appears overnight. It is cultivated through discipline, repetition, and conscious self-control during trading sessions. The more stable a person becomes psychologically, the easier it is to recognize emotions like greed or panic and not follow them. Meanwhile, the first trade ended successfully. I got a good result thanks to my analysis together with the signal from the bot. If you use the signals from the neural network correctly in accordance with the market behavior, you can work with profit. Let's open a second trade on a 1-minute time frame. Increase the investment amount to $2,000 and change the currency pair to the Canadian dollar and Swiss franc. Now, I will go to the trading bot interface to receive a signal. I press the currency pair button and the expiration time button. Let's wait a few seconds. So, according to artificial intelligence, the price may go up. Okay, I think buyer activity will increase. I press the green button. Well, if you don't have enough experience yet, you can trade using artificial intelligence. If you interpret the signals from the bot correctly, the price movement will be more predictable and understandable. Let me remind you that you will find the link to the bot in the description. Within 30 days, go to the bot interface and take it for free. The neural network remains with you forever. AI analyzes dozens of market parameters without emotions, offering a clear, structured signal based on logic and statistical patterns. This simplifies the decision-making process and helps maintain mental balance. A person does not need to feel the market all the time. They can trust the neural network's analysis and act more deliberately. Thus, psychological confidence combined with the support of AI creates an ideal environment for responsible trading. When the mind is calm and the analysis is supported by emotionless algorithms, the result is not only a reduction in stress, but also an increase in the quality of decisions. In the meantime, let's fix that trading with artificial intelligence can bring good results. My trading ended with a profit. If you use the trading tool correctly and know how to look at the market with logic, then any beginner has a chance to become a cool trader. It was a time trade. See you later. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel.